Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, and welcome to my latest travel video. I'm excited to show you some of the most beautiful beaches in Spain. We have Playa des Isolites in Formentera. This is a stunning beach with turquoise waters and soft white sand. It's often compared to the Caribbean due to its clear and shallow waters, which are perfect for swimming and snorkeling. You can also rent a bike and explore the nearby salt flats and lighthouse. Moving on to the Costa del Sol, we have Playa del Cristo in Estepona. This is a small and charming beach with calm waters and golden sand. It's perfect for families with children or those who prefer a quieter beach. There are also plenty of beach bars and restaurants where you can enjoy a cold drink or a delicious meal. Finally, we have Playa de las Catedrales in Galicia. This is a unique and stunning beach with a rocky coastline and beautiful arches and caves. The best time to visit this beach is during low tide when you can explore the nearby rock formations and walk through the arches. Just be sure to check the tide schedule before you go. In conclusion, Spain has some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, and these are just a few of my favorites. Whether you're looking for a lively beach in the city or a quiet spot in nature, you'll find it all here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click the like button and write a comment below to let me know what you thought. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel for more travel content like this.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.